Hey guys, so we're in top 10 currently.
Yes, sir. Top
Yo,
10.
Zerk, so if you knock anyone, then just you know,
Yeah, I got you.
just let me kill him, the striker.
All right.
So I can get this
I
quest
hear
done.
some
Did
of
someone
them.
got rebooted? All the way over there though.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, there's someone here. There's someone here. Come here, boy.
Yep. Is he below
There's
us?
someone. Yeah, they're below us.
Jump down.
I'm gonna follow you.
Oh, he's camping.
Right here. I got him.
Nice. I'm low. I literally had a freaking lag
Drink
spike.
that guzzle juice, and I got a shield keg.
Alright. Nice.
Oh my gosh, guys, it's top 5. I'm freaking out right now.
I know.
Oh, I found chug splashes just in time.
Nice. I'll
make
just shield
sure
for
to
now. Okay,
make
there's
sure to
3
break the keg
squads.
when
There's
you're
probably like 1 solo left. Oh yeah, there's only 1 solo.
Okay, I found a Max Spider-Man mythic.
Nice. It's good.
Okay, guys, we're in the circle.
Wait, can I have the full
Yeah, go
Spider-Man?
Oh, you want this full? Yeah, go ahead. I thought I
Okay.
picked it up, but I didn't. But you can have it, sure.
Yeah, got you.
Should we stay in the building so we can have the utmost shelter?
I mean, here's the deal. If you want to
Wait,
play,
we can stay here.
I mean, if you want to play it safe, yeah, we can.
Or bushes.
But if you want to go offensive, which I really don't think is a good idea.
Yeah, we probably shouldn't.
Because we've won like these multiple games, and
Oh wait, there's someone behind us.
Yep.
Chill.
oh my, oh you cracked him. Oh, you sweat. Great. He's running away, and there's 1 person behind us. I cracked him. Where is this guy?
Oh sweat.
Let's go. I'm moving.
Oh, I got this kid.
One behind you. There's another guy behind you. Did you get him? Nice.
Oh, I got it.
Sheesh.
Oh, I got chug splashes. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a golden machine. Here, there's a purple one right there for you.
Oh.
Oh, it's the last guy.
But okay, it's a sweat. We gotta keep her. It's the Jonesy guy. Shark behind you, careful. Not only do we have a shark behind us, we have a sweat.
Yeah,
Where's this guy?
but where?
I don't know. This thing. Oh, I see him.
Oh, let's go!
I literally
Let's
headshot him.
go!
Let's go. What an easy
Let's
headshot.
go, boys.